Hello my dear ethical hackers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about a tool called Email Extractor Pro. This tool is designed to extract emails from a lot of sources. It could be from websites. Yes, you can literally extract emails from websites, from documents, from social media platforms. And it automates the process of gathering your email addresses, and that is very useful for businesses, for marketing, for lead generations, for running some campaigns, and sometimes even when you do some research and networking purposes, it is an ideal tool. And yes, you can also use it if you want to send bulk emails to people and you want to exploit them, that is for phishing purposes. That is what a hacker would use the email extractors for. So how do we use Email Extractor? Let us go ahead and download Email Extractor Pro and let's get started. So we'll go to Google and we'll search for Email Extractor Pro download. And that's the very first link that we are interested in. So you can click on the download section. And here in the download section, you can either select the download setup or download setup 2. In case these tools give you some errors, it means that you do not have all the necessary files for setup. In that case, you click either this one or this one. That is a full setup. So this will install all the necessary tools and then it will work. In my case, I'm just downloading this. Most of the times this link will work. And then you can see my file is almost downloaded, Email Extractor setup. It's a zip file. We'll just go to our download folder and we are just going to double click. That's it. Close off all the unnecessary windows in the background and click on close. Yeah, so here we have got the Email Extractor setup file. Let's just double click the file and that's it. Close up this window. Next, it's a very simple setup, nothing. Just double click the setup file and follow the instructions. It's a simple next, finish. That's all. A very useful tool if you're gathering information, and remember that is what this module is about, gathering information. Well, let's click on launch Email Extractor, or you can click on the icon that is there on the desktop as well and just click on finish, and this might take a couple of minutes for it to start. You can see the icon, the hourglass coming up. So here, as you can see, we are in the start wizard of Email Extractor Pro, and you can scan your website, you can scan the social networks, or you can search on Google or any other search engine. We'll start by scanning the website. So just the other day, I was checking out Mumbai University and I was trying to gather information about Mumbai University. Let's do that. So how many email addresses can I extract from the Mumbai University? So first we'll just go and search Mumbai University. There's a link. Copy that link. That's mu.ac.in. Control C. And let us paste that into our search scan a website. And let us paste that over here. Let's click on Start Search. On the right hand side, it is showing you the progress, and on the left hand side, it will show you the websites. But for security purposes, it is hiding the email addresses. Only in the paid version, it reveal all the email addresses, because otherwise people would simply steal those email addresses. I'll just stop this. So it's going to go on and on and on forever. You can see there are lots and lots of email addresses that it is extracting there. Let me stop this. So this is how simple it is for someone to crawl any website and gather the details. This is how you get so many spams. Now you know the source of your spams, right? This is how people use these kind of tools, and they can collect thousands and millions of email addresses. Let's go to search engine and let me show you how I can extract information about search engines. So just the other day, I was checking for hotels. If I want to see the email addresses of all the hotels, you can just click on start search. And here you type in that keyword. So I was just searching for hotels. You can just type in hotels here, or you can put in any keyword that you like, literally any keyword that you like. You can define your region, where do you want to search. Either you can go global or you can select India. I'm happy with India right now. Let's click on keywords, hotels. That looks fine to me. You just click on start search and that's it. Click on OK. And you will see that all the hotels in India will be listed. We are looking at makemytrip.com. We are looking at Agoda, TripAdvisor, Ease My Trip, Just Dial, Taj Hotels, Booking.com, and so many such options there. All of these hotels and all their email addresses associated with them will be listed over here. I can see Pride Hotels, I can see IRCTC, Thomas Cook's, you name it, and they are being listed. It's going to take a very, very long time for this to get completed. In fact, it is scanning the whole of Google. And after Google is done, it'll check Bing. After Bing is done, it'll check for Yahoo and so on and so forth. Better stop this exercise. Click on stop. And that's it. You can see how easy it was to gather that information. And if you use the paid version, you would be able to save those emails in an Excel format, in a text format, or in a clipboard format. Right now, of course, you cannot save it. If you try, it's going to ask you to upgrade. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.